Everyone, this is Business Hunters. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make money online 2022. I want to talk specifically about this particular website called Talentdesire. A lot of people has been peddling this particular website online, how you can make lucrative money on this particular website, doing menial job, doing freelancing jobs on this particular website. If you stick around with me, I'm going to show you whether this website is legit and how you can actually make money from it. As you can see, we are on this platform right now. And if you scroll down, you're going to see their process, how it works. Let me take you down so that you can see how their process works. This is their process. You explore jobs, get hired, start work, collect your earnings. This is basically their process. And these are the type of jobs that they have on this platform here. They have online proofreading jobs. They have freelance blogging jobs. They have language transcription jobs. They have online paid survey jobs. They also have content writing jobs. But the one I'm particular about is these online typing jobs, because this is the particular one a lot of YouTubers have been pointing their audience to. And they say these people paid lucratively. If you look at how much they pay here, you can earn up to $45 to $19 per day. As your skills and experience grow, so will your bank balance. Like these affiliate marketing jobs here, you can earn up to $1,250 per month. You can earn up to $25 to $400 per day or more. If you see this medical transcription here, you can earn up to $90 to $180 per day. The list is endless. So I want us to be specific on this particular online typing jobs. So let me take you how you can apply for these jobs. Then you come here, you scroll down, you click on get jobs. When you click on get jobs, we're going to scroll down, and like I said earlier, we want to narrow down to online typing jobs. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this particular website, how you can make money online from this website. As you can see, we are here. So when you scroll down, they have levels here. For beginners, you make 0.010 per every word you type into a Word document. The estimated earning for article, you're going to earn $3 when you type 300 words into a page. Intermediate, you earn 0.012 per word. Then you earn 3.60 when you type 300 words in a page. For professionals, you earn 0.015. You earn 4.50 when you type 300 words into a page. The list is endless. For expert, you earn 0.020. You earn $6 when you type 300 words in a page. If what they are analyzing here is actually true and legit, guys, you can make a whole lot of money from this website. You can, in fact, you can resign your job and do this job. But I want to show you in this video some fishy things that I'm seeing on this particular website. Whenever I'm giving a sincere review of a website, whatever I say, I always have an evidence to prove that what I'm saying is true. I'm going to show you that there is something fishy about this particular website as we go on with this video. So when you scroll down here, you need to scroll down, then you click on apply now. You click on apply now, then you scroll down, you start reading all the requirements here. They're asking you visit the application form section, download it, and note down the all required information on the paper. It will more help you. You see, it will more help you for you during the application. You can even see that their English sucks here. they are speaking Sox English here right now. So they're expecting you to come and download one of these documents then and go on with the application. So, but because I'm not applying, I'm not going to click on these things. So he has guided you the process on how you can submit. When you submit this application, you don't need to submit another application again. But they are encouraging you to go ahead to apply for other jobs that are valuable, even when the one you have applied has not been approved. So it means that doesn't stop you from applying for more jobs on this particular platform. So if you want to contact them, you can click here and write a message to them. So that is just the process on this website. So what I want to tell you now is to tell you about what is fishy on this particular website. Because nowadays, in an online space, a lot of scammy websites are available to deceive and to scam people. So my job, what I do on my channel is product reviews. I always give a sincere reviews about every product that I know that people are buying or whatever. Whenever I see a fishy website, I do a lot of reviews. If you go to my channel, you see a lot of reviews I've done so far on a lot of product and a lot of website. So this one is one of them. So if you look at this now, let me show you one example. If you click start here now, as you can see, this is an advertisement. If I click another button here now, this is advertisement that you're seeing here. If you click another button here, this is advertisement. So each time you click, each time you try to navigate on this website, you are going to be welcomed with advertisement. What people are basically doing, they are technically doing is that they are actually showing advertisement to people. The high price of jobs that you see initially when I started showing you the cost of their jobs, it is actually an attraction. They are making the payment attractive so that when you come in, they're going to keep you here. As you're navigating, looking at the advertisement, they are making more money, bringing no revenue to their company. So you can see that when you apply and you're here to be approved, they are encouraging you to go ahead and apply for other jobs. They are encouraging you to apply for other jobs so that they can keep you locked in here, so that you can be locked into their website and be navigating and navigating so that you can view more advertisement and bring in more revenues to their company. That's what they are doing basically here. Nobody is going to pay you this kind of money. Nobody is going to pay you. Let me take you there again once more to see how much they are talking about here. Like this, look at it. Look at this here. 1,500 per month. And you can earn up to 75 to 200 and blah, 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 blah per day. If this is what it costs, and they are saying that you're going to earn 0.010 cents when you type a particular word, you know you can earn money that they can't be able to pay you. You can earn money. Some people will even use apps. Some people will use application even to do this typing. And they won't be able to pay them because they would make so much money from this platform. So this platform, this Talentdesire, is not a legit website. That is why you see them, all this claim that they are saying here is not legit. If you look at the website, they are trading a lot of things here. A lot of trading is going on here. A lot of advertisement is going on this platform. So my conclusion is that this website doesn't worth your time. So don't waste your time on this website. Look for something reasonable to do. If you're looking for a website where you want to do a transcription job, kindly go to rave.com and apply there. If you are lucky and you're taking there, you can do transcription job on rave.com. That's all I can recommend to you right now. Thank you and take care.